I'm gonna harvest these Melo Cactus fruits. As you can see, I have lots of these seeds that I was not able to sow. Maybe in the next video we are going to sow these seeds. I have so many of this and I don't have enough space here because I'm just living in a small space. So I'm harvesting this every day or sometimes every other day and sometimes a week, but I'm telling you that you'll be able to harvest almost every day when your Melo Cactus starts to fruit. There you go. So many fruits there. So in order to keep this fresh, you can put this in your fridge to preserve it, and then you can sow it later.